திருக்குறள். வாய்மை எனப்படுவது யாதெனின் யாதொன்று தீமை இல்லாத சொலல். பொருள்: வாய்மை எனப்படுவது மற்றவர்க்கு ஒரு தீங்கும் தராத சொற்களை சொல்லுதல் ஆகும். நன்றி.
Hi everyone, I am Mohammad Azik from Grade 4. Are you ready? I have a bed, but I never sleep. I have a mouth, but I never speak. What am I? Answer is river. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Suju Bala from Grade 4. Today's social facts. Some important industries of India. Iron and steel industries are located near places with iron ore deposits and coal mines such as Durgapur, Jamshedpur, Bhilai, Rourkela, Salem and Bokaro. Cotton and textile industries in Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Coimbatore, Kanpur and Kolkata. India is one of the largest producers of cotton and textile industries. Sugar industries in Meerut, Belgaum and Ahmednagar. Automobile industries are located in Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Kanpur, Kolkata, Jamshedpur and Nasik. Thank you.